Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Salesforce Reports for sales performance analysis. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Reports tab in the main menu. Click on the New Report button to create a fresh report. Select opportunities from the report type options. Choose the format of your report. You can opt for tabular, summary, matrix, or joined. Click on Continue to proceed to the Report Builder interface. In the Report Builder, you can add or remove fields. Drag and drop the fields relevant to sales performance, such as opportunity name, close date, amount, and stage. Use the Filters pane to specify criteria for your report. For example, you can filter by close date to analyze performance over a specific time frame. Adjust the filter settings to match your analysis needs. You can also group your data by using the Group Rows option for better visualization. Consider grouping by opportunity stage to see how many deals are in each stage of the sales process. After setting up your report, click Run to generate the report data. Take a moment to review the report results for insights. Use the Summary section to see key metrics such as total amounts and average deal size. If you need to visualize the data, click on the Add Chart button. Choose the type of chart that best represents your sales performance data. You can select from options like bar, line, or pie charts. Once the chart is generated, adjust settings to ensure it conveys the right information. To further refine your report, utilize the Save and Run button. Name your report descriptively for easy reference later. You can also add the report to a folder for organized access. When you're ready, click Save to store your report. Now that your report is saved, you can access it anytime from the Reports tab. Consider scheduling regular updates for the report to keep your data current. By following these steps, you now have a powerful tool for analyzing sales performance with Salesforce Reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.